Hi everyone, welcome back to Globetrot with Taj. Our journey is always special because we are traveling not just as travelers but as a small happy family. Me, my husband, and our little 3.8-year-old son Taj. It's 15th January, and while most of the city is still asleep, our adventure begins at 5:30 am in the morning from Bangalore. There is something magical about starting a road trip before sunrise. Quiet road, sleepy eyes, and a heart full of excitement. After driving for a few hours, hunger reminds us that even adventures need breakfast. So we stop at Hotel Dhruvatare on Bangalore-Mangaluru highway. A simple, satisfying breakfast, and we are ready to continue our journey towards the coast. This is Padubidri Blue Flag Beach. Now, when a beach gets a blue flag tag, it's not just any beach. It means this is one of the cleanest and most well-maintained beaches in India, with strict standards for cleanliness, safety, and environmental care. You can actually feel the difference here. The sand is clean, the surroundings are neat, and the whole place feels peaceful and organized. There are proper food stalls, clean washrooms, and most importantly, lifeguards are always present, making it a very safe place for families and kids. And look at Taj. For him, this beach is not just a destination, it's a playground, a wonderland, and an adventure park all in one. Running on the sand, touching the waves, laughing with every small shell he finds, moments like this are the real reason we travel. As the sun slowly goes down, the sky turns golden and the beach becomes even more magical. We sit, we breathe, we watch, and we silently thank life for these simple, beautiful moments. After sunset, we head towards our stay, Mathru Chaya Beach Homestay, located very close to Padubidri Beach. Now, one thing you should know, there are not many hotels near Padubidri Beach, only a few options are available, but honestly, this place is peaceful, clean, and perfect if you want a stay close to nature. The homestay is in a very good location, has all the basic amenities, and feels simple and comfortable, just what you need after a long day of travel. Food options here are not very wide. You won't find big or popular restaurant chain nearby, but yes, you do get local food and small restaurants and some things. That's where the real taste of a place lives. Hello.
Yes.
What's your name if you
My name is Bhaskar Amin.
Okay.
I'm the owner of Mathru Chaya Beach Homestay.
Hello.
Padubidri.
And
This,
we are staying here for 2 days and this is very good place.
Yeah.
And we are in the Padubidri. So can you tell me more about Padubidri?
Padubidri is a very auspicious place.
Yes,
Particularly, we have a place called Brahmasthana.
Okay.
Brahmasthana is a very holy place.
Okay.
There is, it is not a temple like, it is a place the people go and worship. It is only nature there.
Okay.
Holy nature. You can see the forest.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay.
And
so there is
only
no temple.
Yeah, there are the stones. Everything is there,
Yeah.
and people call it as some people call it as Khadgeshwari. Some people call it as Rakteshwari.
Okay.
Some people call it as Vishweshwari. There are different type of people. They say in a different way.
Okay.
Actually, it is a Shakti. It is a Shakti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
female goddess.
Okay, okay.
Goddess, yes.
Okay,
So there, nobody will give you prasadam. There is no question, and there is no electricity light.
okay.
Electricity light is not there.
Only
There
solar.
once in 2 year, this one will function will be there.
Okay.
That Dakkebali, it is very famous.
Okay.
Number of people are coming here,
Okay.
and it's really very, very powerful place.
Okay. When it happens, the festival?
Once in 2 years. Once in 2 years, in the month of January, February, it will be there. Yes.
Okay. So this month it happened, or?
This month, this year, last year it was there. So this year it won't be there. In the next
so
year
again,
it will be there.
in 2027 it will be there.
it will be there. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tell me about your homestay. It's a very lovely place. If you can see, there are so many trees outside. It feels like home away from home. So I feel it so. So if you tell me more about this place.
Thank you very much. It is, that looking after the tree is my hobby actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Because my mother, father, they were agriculturists, so that part of it is there in my blood only. I like it. So we have the jackfruits in a number of this one jackfruit established, and we have star fruits. You might have seen star fruits, passion fruit. There are so many this time.
Okay. So you have 2 homestays, or?
This is a homestay wherein we have 2 house-like flats.
Yes.
This is a 2-bedroom hall kitchen flats.
Yes.
So normally kitchen people don't use. In case if somebody want to use the kitchen, we will give the kitchen for them.
Okay.
Yeah, there are utensils, gas, stove, everything is there.
And it's just beside Padubidri Beach.
Yes,
and
it is.
Padubidri Blue Flag Beach is around
1.25 to 1.5 kilometers
away from this. So it's very hot location, like beside Padubidri Beach, beside Blue Flag Beach.
Yeah.
So
we can see from the sit out only, you can see the sea.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Padubidri is a small coastal town in Karnataka located between Udupi and Mangaluru. Traditionally, this place is known for its fishing culture, temples, and quiet coastal life. It's not crowded like famous tourist beaches, and that's exactly what makes it special. It's calm, it's clean, it's simple, and it lets you slow down. Today was not just about reaching a beach. It is about traveling together, laughing together, and creating memories that Taj might not remember clearly, but we always will. If you are looking for a clean, peaceful, family-friendly beach away from crowds, Padubidri should definitely be on your list. Thank you for traveling with us on Globetrot with Taj. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Many more family adventures are on the way. See you at the next one.